Jai Hind guys, welcome back to the channel Aksdiecast. Welcome back my new subscribers to the new another video, and if you haven't subscribed guys, then please do like, share, subscribe to never miss any update from the Aksdiecast and also the new Hot Wheels. So let's begin the video. I have one car from that L case, which is the Mazda 787b, but as you guys are seeing, here are the two of them. So let's talk about each car. So let's start with the first. This is an old one casting which was introduced in the 2023, and this is in the brown color by the type Retro Racers. So Mazda 787b, here is the some decals guys, 78 badging, Goodyear branding. Then for the front we have the Mazda, the headlights are detailed, Goodyear branding again. I do think this is a Goodyear branding livery. Then this was for the price 150 rupees, and Mazda 787b Retro Racers 4 of 10. Yes, and this was the old car. This was very nice guys. Look, the car, the details, absolutely gorgeous color guys. For me, this is a very ionic car guys, Mazda 787b, a Le Mans race champion with a rotary engine. Yes guys, this is a rotary engine. Watch this video guys. So let's talk about the today's new buy one, and I really need to say this guys, I am a very lucky person that I got this, cause this was just one piece in that L case. So this is the thing. Then look out, check this. Oh yes, this side cuts, this aerodynamic body, doesn't feel like this was in the 90s era. Yeah, very aerodynamic car. Look at that massive rear spoiler, big wing where the Mazda is written, and the nice color. See guys, here the color orange and green. This is a very special livery cause this was truly meant for the track car livery, and this is here for a Hot Wheels car, for a diecast car. This is a very ionic thing. Really guys, those guys who know this car's value, salute to you guys, and if you don't know, then this is a very rare and special valuable car. Yes, now let's check the details. Here there is a different livery, cause here are the slanting, what we can say, decals covering the headlights. The headlights are detailed, Mazda 787b written on the front nose. Look, there it is, Mazda 787b, Hot Wheels branding also. Very nice car guys. Check out this, what we can say, check out these windows, this front. Wow, this is a very great casting, a orange bright color, the Mazda written at the spoiler. Very ionic guys. Comment me down if you guys have this car. Most of the people are from USA or Philippines. I know you guys, you watch it. And yes, here is the type HW race day, Mazda 787b, 7 of the 10th. Let's see. So comment me guys, which car do you like the most, the brown color or the orange color? Choice is yours guys. But Please, if you are watching till then, do like, share, subscribe to this video, and stay tuned guys. Jai Hind, bye.